Streets in Old City, Philadelphia, where the snow is coming down, but you can see not accumulating on the roads or the sidewalks, anything treated, but on those colder vehicles, we're beginning to see a little bit of a dusting form there. Ultimate Doppler showing the snow, some heavier bands moving through where you see that purple color. Otherwise, it will be steady through the overnight. You can tell where it's snowing a little bit harder. In the Poconos, we have 10-mile visibility, not much of anything there, but look at Pottstown, mile and a half. Mile and a quarter in Philadelphia and a mile visibility in Lancaster, where we're seeing some moderate snow falling. Temperatures on the border right there in Wilmington, it's 32, 33 in Lancaster, 31 in Reading, colder in Pottstown. Allentown still 35, in Philadelphia right around freezing, so that will have a hard time sticking at first. Now as we go hour by hour overnight, you can see through South Jersey and Delaware, not much going on. A break in the action, a lull during the early morning hours, then the radar fills back in during the early morning with some very light snow. But look, the rain's already in South Jersey and Delaware, and it's progressing northward. Between about 9 and 11 a.m., it's in Philadelphia, and it's going farther to the north. So once you change over to rain, that's it. That cuts off the snow. And even into the afternoon, we still could see some snow in our northern western suburbs into the Lehigh Valley, and that's where we will see 3 to 6 inches of snow accumulate. We also have to talk about the wind and the accumulations across the region. A little bit of wind tomorrow, but the snow will be heavier to the north for sure. Right, Scott?
Yes, Kathy, and that's because those temperatures will be colder the farther north and west you head. A big area of high pressure to the north of this system will kind of lock in some of that cold air. We call that cold air damming. That warm front will lift overhead, changing the snow to sleet, then eventually over to rain. Let's talk about those snowfall totals to expect where you live, because once again, the farther north and west, places like Berks County, the Lehigh Valley, the Poconos, 3 to 6 inches, maybe even a little more than that. Philadelphia, 1 to 3 inches for you. North and west suburbs, 1 to 3 inches. Interior parts of South Jersey, 1 to 3. A coating to an inch as you move into parts of, say, Newcastle County over to Salem, Cumberland County, parts of Atlantic County, then mainly rain down the shore for this second round. So for Philadelphia, light snow, that wintry mix, 1 to 3 inches, changing over to rain by midday. The Lehigh Valley, there's your 4 more inches of snow, maybe even a little bit of ice. Kathy?
All right, in Reading, Berks County, that's where we also, ice accumulations will be focused, especially through the Lehigh Valley, and as you head toward the Poconos, not much of a concern as you head toward Philadelphia. Temperatures falling in the 20s and the 30s overnight tonight, staying all rain in Wildwood. Tomorrow, high temperatures get into the 30s and 40s. And on your 7-day forecast from the Weather Authority, once this moves out, we're looking good for Wednesday and for Valentine's Day. Friday, some rain, even Saturday. And then by Sunday, it turns colder again, more seasonal. Monday, dry, but mostly cloudy. We'll have an update on that forecast coming up, Lucy.
All right, sounds good. How about